Good afternoon, class. Thank you. I'll be taking you through Madam Rachel. I'll be taking you through clothing construction today. And the topic will be fasteners. So I hope you will all cooperate as we move on. So lesson objectives today. By the end of the lesson, the learner should be able to define the term used in fasteners, name factors to consider when choosing fasteners, describe types of fasteners. Definition of the term fasteners. Fasteners refers to the device or component used to securely join or connect two or more objects together. In the context of clothing and textile, fasteners are essential elements that serve both functional and aesthetic purposes. They are used to close and secure various parts of the garment, allowing for ease dressing and undressing while also contributing to the overall design and style of the clothing. Common styles of fasteners in clothing include zips, buttons, snips, hook and eye, velcro, buckle, toggles or toggles, and more. The choice of fasteners depends on the design, functionality, and material of the garment as well as the desired aesthetic effect. First, factors to consider when choosing fasteners. So, I'll give you the points, then you can go through slowly by slowly on each and every point to consider. So, number one will be garment type and style. Like when you have a different type of garment, you have to look for the fasteners that will be suitable for that type of garment. Examples, shirts, dresses, and pants. You will be able to choose what is suitable for this particular shirt or a dress or a pant. And you can also consider the fabric types and weight. Different fabrics may require different types of fasteners. For instance, heavy fabrics may need more robuster fasteners, while delicate fabrics, examples are like the chiffon fabrics. They are the lighter fabrics and delicate, do they fray easily, may require gentler closures. Consider the weight, thickness, and drape of the fabric when choosing a fastener. Then another one is functionality. Functionality is like the purpose of that garment. Aesthetic consideration. The overall outlook of that garment. How will, when you apply that type of fastener, how will that fastener be of aesthetic value to your garment, the overall outlook? Then durability and wearability. Assess to durability of the fastener, especially in a high stress area like closure on pants and jackets. Consider how often the fastener will be used and ensure it can withstand regular wear and wash. Ease of installation. You look on that point. Then cost and accessibility. How will it enable you to wear and to and wear the garment you are using? So for the types of fasteners I mentioned earlier, they are like zips, and we'll also look at the types of zips or zippers. Then we have buttons. We'll also look at the type of button, and there are two-hole button, there are three-hole button, those ones. Then there's snip, there's velcro, buckle, and hook and eye. So there are parts of a zipper. I wanted you first to know there are three types of zippers. There is invisible, visible, metal zippers. Those are common. Then the others, like separating zippers, are used mostly on bags. So you can see the diagram here on a closed button zipper. You can see I have named the slide, the pull, the tape, teeth, then the lower stopper. Stopper, it allows it allows so that the zip cannot go out of the slide. Okay, we'll go and look about buttons. So there are types of buttons. There are two-hole button, four-hole button, button with a shank, then there are 3 hold button. You can see their images that I have placed and displayed for you to see. I hope you can be able to see the different types of buttons. So parts of a Velcro. A Velcro is mostly attached on bags in their jackets. So it has 2 different parts. The one that is soft and the other one that is rough. A hook. The hook side of Velcro consists of tiny stiff hooks that protrude from the surface. These hooks are usually made of plastic or metal. Loop. The loop side is made of softer, freezer materials with numerous small loops covering its surface. The loop provides the receptor surface for the hook to attach. So we'll go and read more on the notes that I have displayed, and the assignment today will be write notes on the buckles and hooks and eye. With the aid of image, describe how they work and areas where applicable for the garment. Thank you for listening to my class.